Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And in today's video, we'll be decorating one of my extra bedrooms that's located upstairs. I'm going to change out the wallpaper, add a little bit of decor. And I'm really thinking about making this my office, so I'm just going to use a lot of the items I have around the house. So let's go ahead and get started. And the color is going to be a pop of color. We're looking for that cerulean or turquoise blue. Please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Just an FYI, this is peel and stick wallpaper. I've had it up for about 2 years now, and it's perfect for temporary situations as well as apartments and things like that. But we're going to take it down and replace it with wallpaper using wallpaper paste. I lined up from here. Normally I would go out, but instead of going out, I needed to bring this bed as close as I could. So I'm going to make the window look like it's over to this side. So that is what I am doing to trick the window. Okay. So I have these two lamps. I got them on clearance at Home Goods. They were $50 each. One had the correct lampshade on it. I got one from one Home Goods. This one came from another Home Goods, and it had the bell-shaped lampshade, and I'm not a fan of that, and I don't think it goes with the style that I'm going for in here. So I'm going to use two more lampshades that I have. I may go ahead and leave this one on the larger table. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one right here. I looked around the house for anything that had turquoise or a greenish blue in it. I came up with those. This art, as well as this one. I went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased these two new pieces, but I will be taking them back because I found this simple, perfect art right here from Home Goods. It was $22 on clearance and it matches the theme of the wallpaper. I'm also going to change this light fixture out later to a silver. Actually, the one that's in my bedroom. It's going to go good in here. All right, everyone, here is the finished look. And as I mentioned earlier, I would definitely consider making this room an office. The only thing that I don't like about this room is there's only one window. So that's really why I took the other nightstand out. I do have two that are identical. I would definitely bring it back in and use it as a filing cabinet. And also, I did use items I already had in my room. I would definitely consider a black or a gray bed with this wallpaper. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And be on the lookout for my upcoming guest bedroom as well as the backyard. Those rooms are complete. We just need to edit. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.